We do these laptops and we retire. That's it. We don't have to do it anymore. Alright guys, we have not one, but two. Oh wait, we have 3 MacBooks, which basically means I can retire early. When Apple is involved, I know that I'm going to make bank. I'm going to work out all of the costings and things and invoice the nice lady that dropped me off these 3. The job is very complicated, needs hours after hours. I'll probably be here the full week just doing this alone. We're basically going to retire and there's nothing else that needs doing. We're going to close the studio down and that'll be it. I'll put the price of what I'm charging on screen, and what we're basically doing is installing the OS. Joking aside, these laptops came from a very nice lady associated with a church not too far from where we are. These laptops have exchanged a few hands. I believe they came from a company that gives them out to people that need them. God's sake. Oh my god. Things are falling apart. Good boy. Cut. Bye-bye, cop. Okay. Action. I believe give them out to other people after they've erased the corporate or company data on them. The only problem is they've erased it but did not install a fresh OS on it. So we're going to do that to all 3 of them. I'm only going to show how to do it on one. I'm going to do these off camera. And the one thing that we are going to do is to give them a proper clean before they go back. Pretty straightforward job. I know that one of them, the lady did mention, has a screen issue that can be replaced by the company that was originally handling these. As you can see, I hope you can see, this is the error that we get. A very faint question mark folder, which means the hard drive is not there or that there is no OS, so we're going to crack on and get that sorted. These are the A1707 MacBook Pros, 2017 model. Basically the hard drive, I think it was a 500 gigabyte hard drive, is soldered onto the main board. So the only way to get this sorted is by booting it into recovery mode. And because this is an Intel chip, we hold Option Command R and hit the power button. You may not see most of this because the screen is a bit faint, but eventually we'll boot. There we go. All right. Network mode. Network, select network. And I hope that that is accurate. I'm just going to move this to the right. I'm also trialing a different camera. Obviously there's light issues with this, so I'm still working on how to set all of that up. So yeah, we're just going to have to roll with it. Alright, so now it is booting into, I don't know how much you can see of this, but it's very faint. Once a company wipes the hard drive, it's not recognized by the MacBook, so you basically have to go into disk utility, set it back up, and then install or reinstall the OS. Well, we've done it on these 2. The only thing that I need to do with these 2 is to clean them, and they're done. Inspect the cup. What do you see? Nice MacBooks, eh, Cup? And Cup is destroying the setup. So this used to be the CEO. He is now the foreman due to incidents that we will not describe. But he's working his way up. He's working his way up to be Mr. President of the company again. Alright, I'm going to let this keep rolling. I'm going to pause my camera because it is warm in here. It is so warm. And don't worry about the fluff because I'm going to clean all of that up before the laptops go. This creature does, he's already doing the cleaning for us, so good job. He's working his way back up. Oh, kind of. Cup. You're doing a terrible job of cleaning. Foreman Cup. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, this process takes a while. It depends on your internet connection. We do have quite a good internet connection. It's just, it all depends on, you know, the server, the speed and all that stuff, and the amount of data you're transferring. These laptops are very dirty. I will clean them once this is done. I don't see the point of doing it now because, I mean, I've got, you know, my hands will make marks and things like that. So we'll cut back to when we're ready to go. Cat cam. He's a bit grumpy because it's rain day today. Monster. 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 It's the best part about this job is you get to play with Fluffy Man. Get to play with Fluffy Man until the installs are done. Ooh. 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 Hold on. Cup, you're dropping hair everywhere. Oh, that purring though. You're so purry. You're so purry today. Cup, at some point I gotta go back to work. We do these laptops and we retire. That's it. We don't have to do it anymore. Alright guys, we've gone dark mode, just so we can see the screen better. So we go to disk utility and we notice that this is the SSD. So the capacity is 500 gigs, so perfect. We'll erase that and call it gigabyte SSD. The format is APFS, standard Apple format now. We'll erase it, we'll partition it, and we click on done. We don't need this again. And we go to reinstall macOS Ventura. 2017 model, so yeah, strange thing that happens that it doesn't need the Wi-Fi again. So we'll just shove that in there. Hopefully the password was correct. Connected but no internet. Alright, yeah. Yeah, one of the things I noticed with, I think it might actually be this laptop. When I press one of the keys, it ends up pressing another one next to it. Okay, that worked. So I'll try to give it a clean. Alright, that's gonna install. That's gonna take some time. I'm gonna let, I think you have to, yeah. Agree. Pretty straightforward. The 500 gig hard drive that we just partitioned and formatted, and away we go. 2 hours. I'm not going to film that. I'm just going to pause it here. Well, I'm not going to film it on my head cam because my head is hot. I'm just going to let that install and let it do its thing. Okay, that's it, guys. The OS is installed. I'm not going to go too far into this because I think it can be set up by the person that's receiving it. ABC, input, not now. Yeah, and the rest of it's done. All right, let's get them cleaned up. Alright guys, these are done. Going back to the nice lady. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.